Are you ready? Are you ready? I am also ready. 3, 2, 1, fight!
Alright, so the last game and the upper that goes quickly. 1 point for Luke. And fight. So that's 1-1 for on the National Convention last week during qualifications. And that's another point for Luke. That's 2-1. They know each other very well, so this is a very interesting game. And nothing happening. Well, something happening. Oh, wow, pushing happening. Whoa! Alright, wow. So that's 3-1. Fight! Okay, Sally, now let's get up the music, so we'll have to stop the event. But that's not true. We have 4. Go, you can still win if you do your very best. Come on, go, 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 go! Yes, nice and there. Yes! And Fabio found his power again. That's 2. Very high throws, go down and wow! Another point and a very nice finish for fight. So you got Mark Nichols. Good fight. You don't have to look at me. Alright, so Glenn holding on there. Oh! Wow! And we have a second place